Peace and blessings, friend. Welcome to your breath meditation. I'm so glad you're here today. Before we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable position, whether seated on the floor with your legs crossed, or sitting in a chair with your feet resting on the ground, or lying down with your body fully supported. Allow your hands to rest gently on your lap or by your sides. Take a moment to arrive. Let the outside world fade for just a little while, and give yourself permission to be fully present in this space. Your space, your healing sanctuary. Today, we'll begin with a simple yet powerful practice called box breathing. It's a grounding technique that helps calm the nervous system, balance the mind, and restore inner steadiness. The pattern is simple. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Breathe out for 4 counts, and hold your breath again for 4 counts. It's like tracing the sides of a square with your breath. Are you ready? Let's begin. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long, luxurious breath out. Now, breathe in through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out gently through your mouth, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Again, breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Slowly breathe in and out. Very nice. Let's continue this rhythm for a few more cycles, letting your breath guide you into a calm, steady flow. Let's begin. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Take another slow, deep breath in and out. Now return to your natural breathing cycle. Keep this in mind when practicing this restorative breath work. As you breathe, imagine each side of the box bringing balance to your body. The inhale fills you with energy. The hold anchors that energy. The exhale releases tension. And the final hold invites stillness and peace. Feel yourself becoming more centered with each round. Remain relaxed and peaceful in this moment. Notice how you feel. Perhaps a little more grounded, a little more at ease. This space is always here for you, a place to relax, release, and restore. From this moment, allow yourself to move gently into the rest of your day, carrying harmonious balance, love, and happiness in your heart and mind. This concludes our breath meditation for now. Before we finish, I'd like to share affirmations to nourish your health, well-being, and positive self-talk. Please repeat after me. Peace flows through my mind and body like an endless stream. I am grateful for this time, for self-love and care. I am deeply rooted in the present moment. I am connected to my inner stillness. I am safe and protected. The energy of peace and love surrounds me. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. So be it. And so it is. Namaste.